A simple problem here. Three charges are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side A, as shown in the figure. A, B, C are the three vertices. Charges plus Q, minus Q, plus Q. The force experienced by the charge placed at the vertex A in a direction normal to this BC, that is what we have to find out. Now, this is a case of equilateral triangle. So we have got equilateral triangle in which the side is same, A. At this vertex A, the charge placed is plus Q. At this vertex B, charge placed is minus Q. At this vertex C, the charge placed is plus Q. Now we have to find out the force experienced by the charge plus Q at this vertex, that is A plus Q, normal to this BC. So whatever the force perpendicular to this BC, maybe along this direction or this direction, that force we want now. Now let me find out what is the total force experienced by this plus Q charge at this point A. That is what I have to find out first. At the point A, because of this plus Q charge, this positive charge experiences repulsive force. So that force is along this direction. Due to this negative charge, this charge experiences attractive force. So it goes along this way. So the resultant of these two forces, since it is equilateral triangle, this resultant of these two forces is along this direction. So this is the net force. Now what asked in the question is the force experienced by this charge perpendicular to BC. That means the force along this direction or this direction which is perpendicular to BC. I don't find any force perpendicular to this BC. The force which is parallel to BC is none of our business. We want only perpendicular to BC. There is no force along this direction because net force is along this direction. So the force experienced by the charge perpendicular to BC or normal to BC is just equal to 0. So here we go.